Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valheim Cracked with friends. First, ensure everyone has the exact same game version to avoid compatibility issues. This is a crucial first step for a smooth experience. We'll cover setting up your game, connecting with your friends through various methods, and some common troubleshooting tips. By the end, you'll be ready to explore the 10th world together, building, fighting, and surviving as a team. Let's dive in and get you connected. To begin, you'll need to acquire a consistent game client. It's vital that every player uses the identical version to ensure seamless multiplayer functionality. Once downloaded, install the game into a dedicated folder, separate from other applications. After installation, it's a good practice to verify the game files. This step helps confirm that all necessary components are present and uncorrupted, preventing common errors that could disrupt your gameplay experience with friends. Connecting with friends typically involves using a virtual LAN tool, which simulates a local network over the internet. Popular options allow up to 16 players to connect. Once your virtual network is established, one player hosts the game, and others join using the host's virtual IP address. Remember to share the host's IP and the default Valheim port, which is 2456. Also, confirm your firewall isn't blocking the game's connection, as this is a common hurdle for multiplayer sessions. Encountering issues. First, double-check that everyone has the exact same game version. This is the most frequent cause of connection problems. If that's not it, try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking the connection. Sometimes, a simple network refresh can work wonders, so restart your router and computer. Remember, patience is key, and systematically checking these points will usually get you back into the game with your friends in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.